Hello, everybody. I am Taha Muhammad. I am happy, but I am very sad at the same time. You know why? Because all mathematicians looks like evaluators. They are not looking at my Collatz sequence solution for many reasons. And you name that reasons, not me. At least I can tell difficult for them to understand. This is one of the reasons. Of course, we have many reasons they are ignoring me, but one of them, maybe they do not understand my solution. Then, why they are not giving me a right or a chance to describe front of that my solution of Collatz? This is the Collatz. If you read this, what is my strategy? What is my engineering thinking, computer thinking? Maybe do you think UFO helped me with that? No. Possible I can describe this things for UFO too. They will understand it. Next. I thought, let me start with the loop. Collatz is asking, is the loop of Collatz has 3 elements for all numbers, 4, 2, 1, and this will loop around no more? I thought, okay, let we discover. Maybe there's one loop for Collatz we don't know for entire world, not just for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You describe that to making tree, making color, making graph. No, trillion. How can write trillion down and divide by 2? If it is odd, multiply by 3 plus 1. You cannot do that. And there is no a machine. You put a number, will tell you, oh, well, this machine will give you this. No, you have to think. How I started? I thought, let me start from S. Collatz has 1 element in the loop. I thought, no. How? Not from my pocket. Using Collatz rule, even and odd, I got for this X, when I use the 2 rules, even and odd, I got 2 outcomes. 1 and 2. Okay. When loop, it means what? From itself goes to itself. Is x equal to x over 2? No. X equal to 3x plus 1? No. Then Collatz has no one loop element. Okay. 2 elements in a loop? No. 3 elements, x, y, z in the loop? Yes. For this design, suppose I get not just Collatz's prize, I should get World Peace Nobel Prize. Look at my thinking. No one in the world, even Einstein, didn't have that energy to put and show people that 3 elements will follow Collatz rules. What will happen? I did it. And why you are ignoring me, please? Okay, somebody told me what about 4? I told that somebody, not somebody. 4, outcomes, maybe, see how many? 5? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 outcomes, all are wrong. No one is integers. They didn't go to loop, the first element. 4 elements, I refuse it. 5, if I go 5, need this big page. No, then I figure out a table. This table safer. Look at this design. 2 color, up, down, colors, up, down, in each bin, in each little rectangle. See, 2 colors. Of course, no evaluator in the world can understand this. Even you folk cannot understand. Even Einstein can understand. It is simple, please. At a 6 elementary school, student can understand, but I have to tell you what, this is a puzzle. It is my puzzle I created. I created a puzzle to solve Collatz. You have to listen to me. By writing, you cannot describe this by writing. You have to listen to me what I did. I did very simply. If we have one element in a loop, name it x. If it is even, divide by 2. If it is odd, and this goes with that. If 2 elements, start with this one. This one, possible E or possible O. It means even, odd. Red, I have 2 answers. Even, I have 1 answer for green. Here, EO, 2 yellow. E only, 1 blue. You see? Yeah. Anyway, and look. Then I got pattern. Then I got what? Equation. Then I proved that equation. Look at proof. Then I am telling what? I am telling this fact, Taha's fact. CSR, Collatz Sequence Rules, telling you if you have an integer, then will end up to t, it's still unknown, but each of those has one goal. Divide, multiply, divide, multiply, and you will stop. That means the loop of n, same as the loop of a, loop of b, loop of x, loop of t. I told Taha's Collatz sequence fact 1. Anyway, since I got LSN equal LS1 and 1 is 4 to 1, that means entire loop always should go to 4 to 1. And I don't know why honorable evaluator ignoring this. I give them the right. They do not understand, yes. But I blame them. Why? Because they are not giving me a chance to describe. But let me show my face to you and talk to you clearly. When I was in Minnesota, now I am in Tennessee. In Minnesota, see how many universities we have. I send a letter calling them, please, on YouTube. No answer. Telling, please let me describe for you. I have a solution of Collatz. No answer. The reason, somebody telling me maybe they are jealous, maybe they are racism, maybe they are not understand, maybe they are telling a million of solutions with Collatz, all are wrong. Why they give you a chance? Because that maybe you are one of those wrong people. See, many reasons, but I have one reason. They didn't understand. Then give me a chance to describe, tell you how I solved that. Not just the first one. I solved Collatz in another 3 ways. Very simple. Okay, when you're ignoring me, that means you are ignoring, killing my solution. When you kill my solution, then I will go die and will not get the prize and my name will stay nothing. But I solved it. Why you are ignoring me? If you are a professor at college, you do that. Oh, of course. Governor will come for your celebration. Senators will come. And everybody will come for celebration. They will tell you, oh, we solved Collatz. But poor people will solve Collatz. Nothing. I have master's degree and no job. Then I have no right to solve. If I show you in this company's opening gate, see how many voice I have. 20,000 here, 4,000, 30,000, 24,000 about. Somebody was talking to me like talking to kid, telling me you are nothing. You didn't solve anything. You have to withdraw from company's opening gates. You go away from us. This is academic and your level is even not close. It is not shame that kind of words. It's telling me talk act as adult. What is different between adult and young and child, or all equal? See how mistake they are doing. Professor doing that mistake, telling me act as adult. In another report for him, telling me act, behave as a professional. See how much cheap words. They didn't talk about math. Talk about that. I don't know. I am telling, please, I solved it, Collatz. Why you are blaming me? Come sit down with me and bring judge and TV. See, I am right or you are right. But anyway, let me short my voice here. And I am 82 years age in Tennessee. I am Taha Muhammad, USA, Court, Iraq. I solved Collatz. I solved Euler. I solved Fermat in 8 ways. I solved twin prime. I solved gold batch. What else you need? Cubic root by hand. Index 5 root. Okay, index 5 by hand. Index 7 by hand. What else you need? Anyway, let me be quiet. And math evaluator, there please, think twice and give me my right back. I need your approval in order I go to Japan to get my prize. Otherwise, I can tell you are jealous. There's no other reason. If you ignore me 100%, then math is chaos. They have no leader. They have no company. They have no office I go visit. No. I contact the senator and governor everywhere, Minnesota, Tennessee, asking for them help to direct me to somebody to talk. And there is no one. That means math is chaos. A sport like that, athletic, no. See the World Cup, they know which one number one, which one number two. When you two dogs run away, they know which one first, which one. But here, I am telling, as a human, solved Collatz, and no one is believing me. The reason is what? You name it. Thank you. Bye-bye. Before I go, look at my Collatz. This is the first way. Sketch, table, same goal, to get pattern. After pattern, I got equation. This is the equation. I proved the equation also. I proved the equation. Then, what else you need from me? Somebody told me, please, you are going different direction. They are telling you each number, natural number, if you use Collatz rule, goes to 4, 2, 1. This is the rule. I told please that my equation is that. I did find a pattern and equation telling any number, entire natural number, goes to that equation and give you 1 multiplied by 3 plus 1, 4, multiply by 2 is 2, divide by 2 is, 4 divide by 2 is 2, 2 divided by 2 is 1. When you multiply by 3 again, this will loop. For any integer, then why you do not understand me? Okay, thank you so much. Bye-bye.